everyone, this is Jonna Martinez, and today I'm going to show you how I crochet this beautiful Shamrock potholder. The pattern is by Drops Design and it is called Spot Luck. Please check out the description box below for all additional information, including links to everything I use in this video. Thank you for watching, giving this video a like, leaving me a comment below, and of course hitting the subscribe button if you're new here. Let's get started. To begin, I have printed off the pattern and chosen some yarn. Today I'll be using Peaches and Cream 100% cotton worsted weight yarn, a 3.75mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle for weaving in ends. To start, create a slip knot. Insert your hook and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Form a ring by slip stitching to your very first chain. Insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull up a loop, and then pull through the loop on your hook. Round 1, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to place a double crochet into our ring. To double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. Now we can begin a repeat. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and place 3 double crochet into this ring. One, 2, 3. So the next thing you're going to do is going to repeat this 2 more times. Chain 3, double crochet 3. 2 more times, and then I'll meet back up with you. So here's the original chain 3, double crochet 3, and I repeated it twice. 1, 2, and now we can finish our little square here. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then place 1 more double crochet into our center ring here. Slip stitch to the top of our chain 3 to finish the round. Row 2, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, place 3 double crochet into this chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3 for me. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Place 3 more double crochet into this same space. 1, 2, 3. Now, being this chain at the beginning does count as a double crochet, we're going to basically repeat this all the way around. So into this middle or this second double crochet of each of these, we're going to place a double crochet. So double crochet, and then into each of these chain 3 spaces, we're going to place 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Once that's complete, I'll show you how it looks. So here I am at the end of row 2, and I'm just going to show you. So we ended off right here. So I placed a double crochet into that second double crochet, and then repeated again, and all the way around. So the last thing I have to do here is to slip stitch to the top of my chain 3. And there is row 2 finished. To start row 3, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to double crochet into the next 2 double crochet. 1, 2. You're going to skip this last double crochet and double crochet 3, chain 3, double crochet 3 into this chain 3 space. And then we're going to skip this double crochet right here and place 2 double crochet right here. 1, 2. Now basically we're going to repeat this all the way around. So if we count this as our first double crochet, we have 3 double crochet, skip 1, and then do our corner. Then skip this double crochet, do 2 double crochet. And then we're going to repeat. So you're going to do 3 double crochet, skip this one, then do your corner, skip this one going out, and do 2 more double crochet. So once this row is complete, or round is complete, I'll meet back up with you and we can see how it looks. I have slip stitched to join to finish the round 3, and this is how it looks. So if you look closely here, in between our skipping double crochet, we have 5 double crochet. So if you separate it a little bit, you can see 2, 3, 4, 5. And we skipped 1 there, and we skipped 1 there, and then we did our corners. So 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Now row 4 is going to be very similar to row 3. We're going to be just adding to these middle stitches here and then doing our regular corners. So we're going to go from, we have 5 stitches here, and we're going to go up to 9 stitches. Begin by creating a chain 3 for your first double crochet, and then double crochet into the next 4 stitches. 1 for me, 2, 3, and 4. Then you're going to skip this stitch and place your corner. So 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. After doing your corner, you're going to skip this stitch right here, and then you're going to double crochet into the next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then skip this stitch and place your corner. So you're going to continue in that fashion all the way around, and then once we get back over here, we can just skip this stitch and finish out 4 stitches on this side. Then we'll slip stitch. And there is row 4 complete. Now to complete our shamrock, we need to create the petals that go on top. So what you need to do is snip your yarn here, and then we can begin those. Now the next 3 rows you're going to be repeating for each side. So I'm going to do this side with you, and then you're going to finish the other 3 sides. To begin, you want to join your yarn into this very first double crochet over on this side. Chain 3, and then we're going to double crochet into each stitch all the way to here. Once we get over here, I'll meet back up with you for the next row. Counting the chain at the beginning, I now have 15 double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn to begin the next row. The chain 3 counts as our first double crochet, so you want to skip over this stitch right here and then continue with 1 double crochet into each stitch all the way across for a total of 15 double crochet. To begin the 3rd row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work, and we're going to decrease a couple stitches on this row. So of course our chain counts as our first double crochet, so we're going to skip over this stitch right here, and then we're going to double crochet these 2 stitches together. So to do that, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops and stop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the second stitch, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 remaining loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Then we're going to double crochet the next 9 stitches, and when we get over here, I'm going to meet back up with you because we're going to double crochet these 2 stitches together. So here I am ready to double crochet 2 more stitches together. So there's that's done. And now I'm just going to place 1 more double crochet into the top of this beginning chain. So now you should have a total of 13 double crochet. So now we have to create the little points on the petal. So they go like this, of course. So we're going to do the first little point over here. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and double crochet into the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now counting our chain, we have 6 double crochet. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn your work. So here this counts as our first double crochet. So we're going to skip over this next double crochet these 2 stitches together, skip over this double crochet, and double crochet into the very last chain. So of course I'm going straight into my double crochet 2 together. And then double crochet into this chain. And there's 1 point all finished. So now we're going to create a second point. So you're going to do these last 2 rows here, you're going to do them over here. So double crochet 6, and then turn, and then do this double crochet 2 together, double crochet. I'll show you how mine looks. Now that that is all finished, we just repeat this for each side of our shamrock. So you're going to do these 3 rows, and then do your 2 point rows. And here is my shamrock with all of the points. Go ahead and create a second shamrock so your potholder is nice and thick. We're then going to take the 2 pieces and do wrong sides together. Now we can create a border to hold the 2 pieces together. You want to start by fastening your yarn into the chain space between the leaves. Then chain 1 and do a single crochet. So insert your hook, grab your yarn and pull up a loop. We have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Now chain 25 to create a holder. Then single crochet back into that same space. Now create a picot. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and for this particular pattern we're going to be double crocheting into this very first chain. So just yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn and pull up a loop, 3 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then you're going to single crochet into the end row of this row right here. So you're going to go through both this double crochet, the side of it, and the one behind. That way you're fastening them both together. Now create another picot. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into that first chain. Then you're going to skip this next row right here, and you're going to go into the following row, so just with a single crochet. Then we're going to repeat that one more time. So create a picot, 1, 2, 3, double crochet, skip one row, and single crochet into the following stitch. And now we're going to go around the top of this leaf right here. So you're going to do another picot, and then single crochet, do another picot, and then the pattern wants you to single crochet into this stitch right down here. So we'll see how that looks. That seems to work fine. Now you're just going to continue in this fashion all the way around, creating a picot and then stretching it out, making a single crochet. And once I get back around here, I can show you how my work is looking. So this is how my edging turned out, and I just want to show you how the tips look and then how I went down into the valleys on here. So I wasn't terribly impressed with the edging on this shamrock. I think another way you could do it is to single crochet all the way around the edge of the shamrock and then add this really pretty border. So it's almost like a scalloped border. So anyway, that is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button, leave me a comment down below, share the YouTube link with your friends, and of course, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Bye!